The vision of the Academic Development Center at Mount Royal University is to catalyze excellence and innovation in teaching, learning, and the use of educational technology. The center is committed to fostering teaching excellence and innovation in support of learning. Faculty development within the center is guided by the belief that rather than only learning from experiences, an individual also learns from reflecting on those experiences. Teaching development, then, is supported through programs and services carefully constructed to allow participants opportunities to reflect, both in community with colleagues and in private consultation. The films in this series are snapshots of common teaching and learning moments. They offer faculty an opportunity to observe teaching in action. Specifically, these teaching clips create a starting point for conversation in preparation for faculty participation in the peer review process. They are designed to stimulate dialogue and reflection about the types of behaviors that may be encountered during peer review. In this way, faculty can practice the skills necessary to provide productive feedback to colleagues in a real teaching scenario. Let's get started. As you observe these scenes, you can consider the effectiveness of the teaching decisions. Analyze the relationship between learner behaviors and teacher behaviors, and imagine providing peer feedback in such situations. Viewing and discussing these clips also offers you a chance to reflect on your own instructional decisions in order to come to a clearer realization of how your teaching choices can shape your teaching practice. We hope such reflection will lead to a deeper understanding of your own teaching style. As you watch the films, we encourage you to consider the following. What worked in this situation for the teacher, for the students? What problems or challenges did I observe? What feedback would I give? Can I see or hear any elements in this situation that relate to my own experiences and practice? We at the Academic Development Center hope you find the films useful and informative.